Hi, welcome back. In this lesson 2, we will see a very popular technique of Vedic mathematics. Let's start with whenever you have a question which is like 66 into 64, let's say. Whenever the right side digits add up to a multiple of 10, to the power of 10, not a multiple of 10, to a power of 10. Okay, so then, and the left side is the same, this is adding up to tens. Then the simplest way to calculate this is 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24, and 6 into 7. On this side we will make it as 6 into 7. So the answer is 4224. Okay, you can try it out different numbers. Say for example 27 into 23. So this 7 into 3 will be 21, and 2 into 1 extra, 2 plus 1, 3. So it will be 6. 621 is the answer. Now let's do one more and then we'll see a variation of this. Say 73 into 77. So we have 21 and 7 into 8, 56. 5621 is the answer. Now you may say that, hey, the chances of something like this being asked is very rare. 73 into 77 or 27. So some digits need not always be a sum of 10. Add up to 10. Okay, but that is not the case. Like, we can use this even in fairly different circumstances. So let's see what are they. So let's say somebody asks you 966 into 964. Okay, so this is adding up to 10 and the left side is the same, so the answer will be 96 into 97, and 6 into 4, 24. Okay, but the question is 96 into 97. In the previous class we have learned how to do this really fast. So this is minus 4, this is minus 3, 100 is the base, 96 minus 3 LHS is 93, and minus 4 into 12, 93, 12. So 93, 12, 24 is your answer for 966 into 964. So it's not necessary that this trick can be used only for 2 digits. It can be used for multiple different attributes, and also it's not necessary that this trick can be used only when the sum of the digits is adding up to a 10. It can also be used for different others. Let's assume 66 into 65. Okay, so we know that 66 into 64 plus 1. So this is nothing but 66 into 64 plus 1. So we know that 66 into 64 is nothing but 24 and 42. So 42, 24 plus 66. So that will be 4290 is the answer. So we can do this even with other numbers. Say somebody asks you, hey, what is 42 into 49? You will quickly know that. Let's erase this. We'll come to that. Yeah, say you have to calculate 42 into 49. So you know that 42 into 48 plus you have to add one more 42. So this will be 16 and 20 plus just add one more 42. So it is 2058. Okay, so this trick is fairly useful even if for across numbers, and it's a very popular trick. Okay, so let's say somebody says we want to calculate 240 into 260. Again 40 and 60, it is adding up to a power of 10, so this will be 40 into 60 on the right hand side, so it will be 2400, and this will be 2 into 3 6, so your answer is 62,400. Clear? Say somebody says 130 into 170, you want to calculate 130 into 170, so this will be adding up to 100, so therefore 30 into 70, 2100, and 1 into 2, 2. So your answer is 22,100. In the next class, we'll see one more popular trick of Vedic mathematics related to multiples, multiplication again. Thank you.